with another YouTube video with my mom and Ange. We're at Boat Castle right now.
This is
Triggering.
okay.
Ange, what are you doing? Oh, hand sanitizer?
There you go. There's a theater in there. They have their own theater.
That's sick. Alright, so we're at 33 subscribers currently, and let's go up to 40. How about, we'll make a deal. I'll make a really big video if we reach 40, okay guys? Oh! So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We're gonna give you some of a tour.
Well, let's do this floor first.
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay, there's no stairs. Well, I want to stand.
Nico, get into that.
Yeah.
Don't lose my phone.
Yeah, no. Wait, actually?
Watch. I heard it. I heard it hit the floor.
Mine
I see it. Is something on the floor?
didn't. It's like right there. It's like right over there. Where is it? Alright. So, shout out to all my family members who watch this. We're gonna, and just to guys let you know, we went on a 2-minute boat ride. So we're gonna show you. Geez, we are.
We're taller than that tree right
Dang. So stream, we are going to show
there.
you.
We're going to go there. Yeah,
One-
because I see a balcony up there.
Oh crap, that's a bee.
That's on the next floor.
So the wife, come here. Come here, you guys.
I see some drawings.
Nicolino and Angie, stay right here and look.
Alright. So we're gonna edit some of this. We're gonna edit so we're on the boat, and then also we're gonna edit where we're getting food because we're going to Riley's.
Why do you have to spoil where we're going?
Because we are. That means
Wow.
There's some pizza.
Hold on.
Some pizza sticks.
pizza logs.
So they're gonna be chubby. Well, imagine they're two full things of pizza stacked on top of each other,
Bruh.
and then they just roll it.
No, pizza sandwich would be like,
No, pizza sandwich would be like full piece of pizza.
what do you
You
mean?
know what I'm saying? Stuff, and then full another thing of pizza. All done. Nom nom. No, and then a giant picks it up like this. Can I have more?
What the? So guys, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but yeah, I did. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Get me to 40.
By next week.
No, by this month probably.
Oh no, by a week.
We have a small channel for 33 that's really good.
Oh, wait till you see what on the knob. Come here.
33. Soon gonna get him mil. Then 2 mil.
We're not gonna-
4, 5,
7.
We vlog every day.
Bruh, we should vlog every day, but we can't. Cause guys, my phone, it doesn't carry YouTube.
Why?
I don't know.
That's dumb.
People that think my vids are cringy, I don't know. Fuck them.
I don't think your vids are cringe.
Me and my toxic friend doing crap is.
That's definitely cringy.
Not cringier than my anime.
No,
What do you mean?
it's not cringy.
I know. Da 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 da.
Literally just empty.
Oh guys, This channel was sponsored by Live to Bounce. Just kidding. We don't got sponsors. Bruh.
People carve their names in here.
Bruh.
So many years. Like you'll see 19, like try to find one really, really old.
They don't sponsor this, but this is my favorite game to play besides Fortnite. Monster Dragon City. Download it now.
4, 3.
Okay, keep walking.
Downloadable on Apple and Google.
And just,
Apple phones and Google phones, any type of phone is able to install Dragon City. And if you, like, I started Dragon City yesterday and I already have some stacked people.
so like my map's over there somewhere. My map's like over there somewhere. I wish I had something else to drop. Be like, yeah. Alright, we are going. Man down. YouTuber down. YouTuber down. Subscribe before I fall.
Remember that beautiful thing that we took a picture of?
Yeah.
Just the outside of it.
Okay, guys, this is the outside of that thing.
So,
Well, we're going this way. Either you get lost. What's on? She just humped me. Chill. No, it's something called I didn't know Ange went to kidney drugs before this video. Ange, I didn't know you went to kidney drugs before this video.
Huh?
I didn't know you went to kidney drugs before this video.
No, I didn't.
Tiny heads for tiny windows for tiny heads.
Tiny heads are tall people.
What do they just do? Bash
You
their head.
can't even stick your head in there. Well, not your full head.
Just imagine me humping Ange. Can we get Mom?
me.
What? What?
What'd you say?
I said, just imagine me humping Ange because Ange humped me.
Fucking crazy.
Well, end the video. Guys, I'm back from how we went to Boat Castle. I edited. Yeah. All right, so we are now on the boat. You probably can't hear me, but look at this.
Smell the water. But don't lose my phone.
Sick. Yeah, I came into. Don't forget, we got Ange over here. So here's the thing, guys. Ange never went here, so he's curious about Riley's. Riley's is a place. It's really cool. They're like, it's on the towns. They have beautiful pizza logs. If there any of them are watching, shout out to them. And they have. I'm gonna eat their pizza logs and their fries because I woke up and I was a photo bath. Savage. Thug life. No, it's something called Thug life.
Show all that. Show all around.
It's really cool because look what we got. I'm also gonna edit while we're at Riley's to just see Ange's. We're gonna edit so when we're at Riley's, Ange will know. So like, here's the thing. I'm gonna edit. When we're at Riley's, I'm gonna edit.
Alright, that's enough. You got the battery.
Alright, so yeah, look it over here. It's really cool. We got 1,000 islands. You know, they actually told us on the trip before that there was like 1,200 something islands. It was really cool. So let's look. That actually looks sick. So guys, we are now going to get Riley's. Hey guys, I'm back at. We're not at Riley's because.
Hi!
Oh my God, Mom, chill.
We're not at Riley's
She just
because it was
did it.
like a
She
20-minute wait.
Exactly.
And for other people, and we would probably have like a 40-minute wait.
Exactly. So we went to Old Home. Here's what I got. We're gonna probably need a leftover bag because I got a hamburger, pizza, logs, fries, and a Pepsi.
Since 11 o'clock. I got the same thing, just Mountain Dew.
Yeah. I hope Mom doesn't snag the phone and go, ugh!
No, I did what I had to. I'm good. Thank you.
They said it's okay to film here, so none. So we're subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Stop touching my kitty's tail.
What?
Chill. Too much space. Bam. After we eat, we're probably just gonna like scatter around.
I think that was the detail in his eye.
What? What does he have? The milkiest shade of white on his eye?
Yeah.
I just peeled off the detail.
I know. He
Goodbye.
wants to say hi. Hi guys.
Get that out of here. Meow Meow's the famous one, by the way.
You've been in more videos.
I know. Minecraft. I should have it right next to my
I see your
stream.
drinks.
What you do? Oh yeah.
That
It's
tree
coming
is so
up.
weird, though.
What?
It like has roots
I know.
and dirt inside it.
Thank you.
Is there like any history on that tree?
Not that I know.
That
of.
is so weird. Look
It
at
is,
the
I
roots
know, I
inside
know.
with dirt
It's
still
so
on
weird.
it.
I know. A lot of people say that. It is weird. I know.
It's like legit right there. Yeah, what is my finger doing? Like actually.
So go up to the tree and look at how inside.
No, I zoomed in.
But you're not looking at the roots that's inside.
Yeah, I saw the roots. So guys, look at that's so weird. This is literally the place. I'm not even joking. All right, so yeah, we're at Riley's. No, not Riley's. Ale home. Stoic.
You're gonna videotape the whole time we're here?
No.
No, just until we get our food.
Yeah. Right in the gut.
Wait. Yeah, I can't do it because mine.
Hey,
Here, show it around.
I'm showing us around.
Cause then after we're gonna go shopping.
I
We're gonna go shopping. Shopping. Yay.
Gift zone.
oh, that's sick. What's up?
What's up?
Like, Mama, can you be our cameraman?
Sure. I'll just keep the whole thing on me the whole time.
Oh.
Okay. No.
No. Give that to me.
All right, fine.
I'd rather have a baby.
You're so greedy.
Well, then again, it is his YouTube channel.
I'm joking.
So,
I'm his
so-
mother.
it's already 3 minutes long.
I
We have
brought
to
you here.
end it at like 4 minutes, only because like our videos can only be
Really?
15 minutes long right
I
now.
don't think our food's gonna be here on time then.
Actually, we'll end it at 2 minutes.
I'll follow you.
Let's get her out of. And go watch my other videos. Subscribe, like.
Man, in the afternoon, at dinner time, they have lobster.
Chill.
I wonder if they get it from here.
Well, I like shrimp. I don't like lobster.
We didn't ask you.
I am the one you said I don't need that.
I don't think we have lobster here. They don't get it from the water.
No, they get it from the ocean.
They get it
Yeah.
from the ocean.
Everything is real fish.
My lobster tastes like shark drool. I wonder why. Because we pulled it from the ocean.
My lobster tastes
like dirt.
Salt.
I know. I'm
The
not
best
even.
place is getting it from Boston or Gloucester, Massachusetts. Yummy.
Mr. Monica went to Massachusetts.
He did?
When we were in school.
Uh-huh.
We had a substitute for 3 days.
But the best place is
The
Gloucester.
worst substitute ever.
Which one?
Oh yeah, I don't know. We have too many bad substitutes.
Mr. Barron or that other one?
Oh, and now I like Mr. Bean. The girl.
Did you see the picture?
Wait, what? None of you like Mr. Barron?